Tonight I'm making Japanese curry, so I just wanna show you some technique, some tips to make healthier and delicious Japanese curry. You can buy Japanese curry block like this, and there are many levels of spiciness, like mild or middle or spicy one. So if you make curry for kids, I recommend mild curry block because spicy one is too spicy for kids. Or if you can't find a mild one, you can also grind apple or honey at the end to make it more mild taste. And I also mix with dashi powder and curry block to enhance the umami and more flavor. And use many spice, the ground turmeric and garam masala you need to add at the end because the aroma and fragrance will be disappeared if you add from beginning. So this should be at the end. And garam masala is spicy, so you don't need this if you make curry for kids. And this is onion, onion skin powder. I just add a little bit of this for like blood circulation. Like quercetin is good for our body, so I also use this powder. It's made from skin of onions. And today I add 1 onion, 1 whole onion, and 1 whole garlic, and carrots. And I also add parboiled green beans at the end. And I also soak the beef meat before cooking because I prefer to remove blood before cooking to, how can I say, to remove impurities as much as possible and to remove harmful hormone from meat. So this curry is much easier to digest too and has many spice. Turmeric is very suitable when you make homemade curry. And you can also add cinnamon powder at the end. It's also recommendable when you cook curry. Yeah. You can also add cinnamon powder at the end. And it gives curry a little bit sweetness, aroma, and also good for your health too. So turmeric and cinnamon is good for any kind of stew. I also use this powder when I make borscht. It's beet stew. It's a kind of Russian food. Yeah, beet stew looks super red, not like this. And the Japanese curry look brown like this. And it's very suitable for any kind of rice. So tonight I'm going to use leftover rice from yesterday. But it's always the best to steam fresh rice when you make curry. Yeah. And when the curry if the curry sauce become too thick, you can add more water too. Or if the curry stew become too thin, you can also add potato starch or more curry block later too. But be careful, sometimes curry block stuck on the pan, on the bottom of pan. So you need to mix very well from bottom, like do this movement. Or you should use chopstick to mix very well to make even thickness. And once carrot becomes softened, it's done. Yeah, I recommend you to use many garlic and onions it's very good for your health and prevent cold during winter time, prevent bad flu. And if you wanna add green beans, please add at the end. You can't stew together because it will lose all good texture. So if you wanna add green beans, you should add later. Chicken and pork curry is also good. And if you are vegan, you can also use tofu. And I recommend 5 spice tofu from Taiwan, because that tofu is very hard, so how can I say, more resemble texture to meat. So super film tofu or 5 spice tofu is recommendable when you cook curry, vegan curry. Yeah, it's done. If you buy Japanese curry block, it's easy to make if you have never tried to make Japanese curry. And it's very delicious, and many kids love Japanese curry, even in the USA, so please try. You can use any kind of your favorite vegetable. Spinach curry is also delicious and rich of iron. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.